Hey guys, today I'm playing another Sonic game. Before I do that, let me go check the volume. Okay, so today I'm going to play a Sonic game. This is gonna be fun. Let's get started. Hello everybody, hey guys, this is Nathan here, and today I'm playing Sonic.exe. And you guys are probably wondering, Nathan, you already done this game, why are you doing this again? Well, the reason why I want to do Sonic.exe, it's because one is because of the sound quality, because in the last time when I did this game it was very low, so and you cannot hear it, like you can barely hear it, so that's why I'm redoing this again, so yeah, so that's why we're doing this again. So yeah, you kind of like what I did to Sally.exe back then. So I'm doing this again, but with higher quality, so with higher sound quality. So without further ado, let's get started on Sonic with Tails. Let's get started. Here, Act 1. Oh, the music. Can't really do anything. Aw, you can't jump. That's lame. Oh no, the animals. No, the animals. Stop right there. Whoa, look at this. Look at this flower. It's dead. I did not notice that. The flowers are dying. Wow, that's a chunk load of them. Ugh. But did the music stop? I don't know. Oh no! Too bad you can't jump. This sucks. Hi Sonic. Got it. Hello, do you want to play with me? Maybe. Maybe not. Look at this dude! Anyway. Oh, that's scary. No! Okay, that sound is the drowning game. The drowning when Sonic is about to drown. No! Oh no, Tears crying. Wow, oh no, he's crying. I'm not joking. You're too slow. Want to try again? Yeah, I'm going to. What have they done to Tails? No! There's Knuckles. You can't run. What, no act? Back over here. Man, actually, you know what, now, if you want to check out, like, the Easter egg, usually, if you want to check out what's all the way to the back, because I'm not going to do this for this, if you want to go check my old video out of this, if you wanna go check that out with with horrible quality, sound quality. Ah! That scared me. What's going on? Ah, blood everywhere. So where you can't jump? You can't jump? You just stand there? This is bogus. This is bogus. This is bogus. Hi, Sonic. Found you. I'm gonna get you. Where you can you? Well, shoot. So many souls to play with, so little time. Wouldn't you agree? Not good. Is there any button I can press? Oh no. Oh well. Eggman or Robotnik, whatever. Well, not Eggman or Robotnik. Dr. Robotnik. Whatever. Depends on the universe. Blank. Dot. Look at this dude. Oh, you can't go back. I actually kind of like this music. You can't. Sounds like Castlevania music. Bring this. Oh, you can't jump because, well, you know. And then he's fat. Look at this dude. I actually kind of like this music because it reminds me of Transylvania music. Aw, come on. No Easter egg. Okay, in the original version of this game, I don't have the original, not this one, but a different version of this. They have Easter eggs. They have Easter eggs that you can find, but and I looked it up. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm not gonna spoil the whole what happens when you get them all. I'm not gonna spoil it. If you do, you can watch somebody else who played this game. Like most of the gamers, YouTubers, whatever, play horror games. So if you wanna check it out, you can find it. But the music stuff. That music was great anyway. And well, shoot. Now. Yeah. I'm God. No, you're not. You're ugly. You're ugly. You might want. Ugh. Ew. You might wanna clean yourself up. Hoi. That is so wow. You see why I load my old video? No, you know why. Well, it's just ready for round 2. Oh heck no! Oh, I already did that. Not look at what they game made by Crimson the Bat. Dude, what's wrong with you? making a game based from this creepypasta. I mean, I do like it. I like this game better than Sally.exe. Sally.exe was short. It was like so short. And I watched Michael Pollard play this game, and this is actually the Doom background. I don't know the... Oh yeah, any clip. Oh, even the escape key. So yeah, let's... And we have something that I can't read. It's in Chinese. Yeah, in Chinese. So for those of you who are Chinese, no offense to any... I'm not racist, by the way. I'm sorry. Anyone who can translate, whoever knows how to translate these, please translate in the comment box. Just leave a comment on what it's saying, so other people can know what it's saying. So yeah, that's about it for this video, so that is Sonic.exe. And man, if you want to check out, you can check out the Sally.exe and also my old video of this game, back in May. So if you want to check that out, you can find it on my channel, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, I am planning to do an update video. For you soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment. I will see you next time. Bye.